Hey guys, so this is going to be a little bit of an unconventional video. You are in my bedroom, and I don't want to show off too much of it because it is a phenomenal disaster area. I'm trying to organize my makeup into a dresser because currently everything is in boxes and Sephora bags and just laying everywhere in other rooms. But I wanted to tell you what I'm wearing today because I wanted to know if you wanted a little tutorial on it. So let's start. First of all, I have my receipt. I have the Becca, and it's not going to tell me everything on here. I should have looked at this before. I have Becca foundation. Whatever. I'll put the prices in the comments because this is what I purchased. It's the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion foundation. This is in porcelain. This stuff is great. I use 2 pumps and it covers my face completely. I then use my Tarte Shape Tape. This is in shade Fair. I, again, am so pale, and if I want to do any kind of highlighting with my concealer, I've got to go with Fair. I then go ahead and I bake my face and set it, and I tried this, the Cover Effects. I live for this. This stuff is awesome. A little goes an incredibly long way. It is in light. And then for my eyes, I used the Too Faced Natural Eyes collection. It's a tin. Let's see if I can open this bad boy one-handed. These are the colors that are in there. It's upside down, I know. There are 4 shimmers and, well, 5 shimmers if you count the large one, and then you've got 4 mattes. I used the light one, which is called Day. Let me see if I can do this with it being flipped over, and I closed it. Guys, I'm struggling. I used the, let's see, can't read them. Day, which is this light one to go all over my eyes. I used, let's see, Fashion, that brown one down there for my crease. I used Sexpresso in my outer corner, and I used Push Up all over the lid, and then went in the inner corner with Silk Teddy. This is a brown neutral palette, and I absolutely love it. I get very little kickback on it, and there is a ton of pigment payout. This is a great palette. Let me see if that will show me what the price was. The Too Faced. I'm just going to have to put it down in the Neutral Eye Collection. $36. So that wasn't bad at all. So then after I did my eyes, I used my Benefit mascara. I did not grab that. And then I went ahead, and I had never seen this before. This is Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil. This is also in a tin container. It feels nice and heavy, and so it feels kind of luxurious. Again, I'm going to sit here and try and open this one-handed. Pray for me that I don't break it. Oh, and it smells just like a chocolate souffle. It smells so good. Look at this. This bronzer is everything, and for somebody as pale as I am, it is not at all too dark. The blush that I used is Younique. You know I sell Younique. This one is a special edition blush. It is called Supported. It came in a set, a kudos set, that all of the money went to the Younique foundation, which I think I've talked about before, and if I haven't, I will have to talk to you guys about it, but that is in this shade here. It's kind of a peachy, pinky shimmery color. A little goes a long way. And then this is actually my holy grail. This Wet n Wild highlighter kit. I have an Anastasia Beverly Hills kit that looks almost identical, but I think you get more pigment and payout out of this. I use the 2 lightest pinkish shades all over my cheekbones and up into here, a little bit on my forehead, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. And then finally for my lips, I tried the Fenty Beauty Uncensored Lip Paint. There is transfer with this, but there is no, it doesn't come off. Like for me, when I see transfer, I'm like, oh crap, I'm gonna have to reapply. I have had lunch. I had pizza for lunch. Usually pizza will rip your lipstick off. This is still staying. I mean, it's beautiful. Like I said, there is a little bit of a stain that comes off, but again, it stays on. This is beautiful. So the price is, oh, and then I set my face with my Morphe Prep and Set because I'm obsessed with this stuff. So pricing wise, let's see. The bronzer was $30, which I feel is completely fair. The Neutral Eye Collection I said was $36. I don't know what I got for Sephora accessories. That might have been my makeup removers. What is a Pro Mini Solid Pro? What the heck? Oh, Beauty Blender. Never mind me. The setting powder is $35. What else? Sheer Perfect Master. That might be the, oh no, here it is, Ultra Coverage Complex Cream. That was $44. So the foundation is $44. Not at all a bad price at all. Yeah, so let's see. Lip paint, $24. To me, I feel like all of this is average pricing for your high-end makeup. It looks great. And that was pretty much my haul, other than the setting spray and the Wet n Wild. That's all stuff that I purchased last week. I have some other things, some skincare. So I might go over that with you guys, but I wanted to check in. I haven't been on in ages, and my uploading has been a pile of crap. It doesn't want to save things. It doesn't want to upload things. So I'm hoping this will upload, and I'm sorry you're sitting in my bedroom that's full of bags and things that I'm trying to organize, and I don't have my ring light out, and it's not the right way, so you're going to have these big black boxes on the side. It's just a struggle, but I wanted to touch base because I haven't talked to you guys in such a long time. So those of you who are still around, thank you for waiting around. I am still here. I am still alive. If you want to see a tutorial on this look, please comment and let me know. I would love to do that with you, and I definitely will have the ring light out and be set up where I need to be so you can see what you need to see. Other than that, I hope you all have a wonderful rest of your weekend, and I will talk to you all later. Thanks again, and like I said, if you liked this video, please like it, please subscribe, and please comment. What have you tried that you love? Is there something that you could suggest to me that I try? Have you tried any of these products before and you don't like them, or they are your holy grail? Let me know. Let us sister know, especially for us pale folks. It's very hard to find things that work for very, very pale, neutral complexions. I also have an oily T-zone, which is not my friend. So help me out. Help me, help me. So anyways, have a really great rest of your weekend, and I will talk to you all soon. Thanks for tuning in. Love you guys. Bye.